My husband and I are first-time homeowners. We've been in our new house in Arvada for about 3 weeks now, and we couldn't be happier. We're super proud to finally be able to check the own box instead of the rent box. Our journey with buying a home started a couple years ago. I actually saw that on Facebook. Dallas and his wife were highly recommended with the Colorado Ohana Style Group. His wife actually helped me repair my credit. So we got my credit from like a 500 to a 650. It's now 670. So just awesome people, had us in their home, answered all of our questions, really just kind of treated us like family. Once we were ready, and they were super patient until we were ready. Once we were ready, they helped us to get the first house we made an offer on, which I think is pretty rare in today's the climate of the housing market. We ran into a couple snags with the roofing, and Dallas really just helped us to overcome everything that we came into contact with, even though we were completely clueless on how the whole thing worked. So he really held our hand through it, was honest and friendly the whole time. We highly recommend Dallas Hidalgo and the Colorado Ohana Homestyle Group. I recommend them to all my friends and family, and just thank you very much for helping us get in our first home. We're super proud and super happy.